and the show begins. And here I am, past the faux wood, a little bit of an outside display. Okay, Rooster Hill Pottery. What the people draws them in, it is these guys. The face jugs, and some other jugs. Okay, and the face mugs. And new this year, just making it to the shows for the very first time, the guys with the earrings. Once we are in, there is always something else to find, to discover. Lots of little stuff. Guess what the pot is always fun. The egg separators, the little heart pitchers, little herb bowls or mixing bowls, the letter, card, or sponge holders. Okay, people love identifying this stuff. What is that? It is a toothbrush holder. The garlic jars.
Jill, are you going to be running around going like this?
I don't even know what these are.
You know what I mean?
All day to get in my pocket, yeah.
But you know what I mean?
Here's the one I made for a little girl at the last festival. And, you know, here's something I didn't know. Well, that is a olive or cheese little plate, but the chip and dip plates, when I first made them, I didn't know what size they were supposed to be. Everybody always made them big. But since I didn't know, I made them in all sizes. And so many people love the smallest. Even that, though, is probably too big for the caviar and the toast points. And fall is pie baking time. We can never have enough of these. Okay, and here we are at Clay Designs. Whoa, look at these things. These are not out of a mold. Somebody rolled every little piece of this Clay Palmer stuff for all our favorite Pittsburgh teams. Wow. Is it you that does this?
Yes.
And you are?
Susan Hamilton.
Oh, how do you find the patience? This is amazing that somebody can work on such a small scale. And all the local teams and everywhere. Oh, this is great. Okay, well, I hope you have a good show.
Thank you.
I like the carrots and the fruit. They a little bit remind me of the vintage 40s, 50s. But they've got a hint of today in them, which is nice. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
And soup to nuts, salad to ice cream for the little bowls.
Back pull the daddy ho, back pull the daddy ho, there's whiskey in the jar. He counted out his money and it made a penny, and put it in me pocket too, take home the darling Jenny. She sighed and swore she loved me and never would deceive me. The devil take the wing for they always lie so easy, push a ring under a pie. Back go, daddy ho, there's Frisky in the yard.